Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Andrew and today I'm checking out some more Dune Prophecy, Season 1, Episode 2. So thanks very much for joining me and let's get into the episode. Who's this? Damn. I wonder how he did that. I think they were on a completely different planet, so I don't know how he was able to do that to her. Well, at the same time he was doing it to the boy.
My initial scan found no evidence of an accelerant.
You wouldn't. The heat source was internal, an acute imbalance in her meridian network. Before this happened, did you notice any physical changes, any signs of distress?
Or maybe he gave him something.
She had a nightmare. Whatever it was terrified her.
When they were at that party.
Empress Truthsayer killed just before the royal wedding. That's no coincidence.
Obviously.
You think someone attacked Kasha here?
I'm saying I'd keep my guard up.
Someone definitely killed her.
This is the burning truth Mother Raquella spoke of. I have to secure the princess.
The burning truth.
You don't believe I'm up to the task?
Emotions cloud judgment, Tula. Hard choices will have to be made.
I don't think she thinks anybody's up to the task.
We've never seen a force like this. We don't know how to fight it. You can't accept this because you care for the girl.
I raised her.
But she's not your child. She is the one who can give us the answers we need.
What's so special about her?
Putting Lila through the agony endangers not just her life. There are secrets we have gone to great lengths to keep. You, me, Francesca, Gosh.
It's a risk we'll have to take.
Yeah, interesting. Doing this thing is going to get her access to all their secrets. If she survives.
I'm departing for Seleucus Secundus. I want you to accompany me.
You're aware of my circumstances. When do we leave?
Immediately.
I'm definitely not aware of her circumstances.
Look at him. Look. My boy. And tell me that a toy did this.
I understand your anger. But you, along with everyone, know the risks of thinking machines. They're unpredictable.
They're all blaming the machine.
Before you insinuate that this is my fault, you may want to remind yourself that there is a fleet of fighters in orbit around this planet, and that it is still mine.
You have to be careful with this dude. He's still got all those warships. And he's not in a very stable mindset.
You must understand I was expressing a private concern.
Of course. I did not tell you to kill that boy. But you wanted me to.
So he's just kind of come out and say it, that he did it.
I can do it again.
What's he trying to do?
Oh, no. No, this is
No, this is how we're going to play
this
it.
is madness.
Risky.
Guards!
Yeah. It's
Arrest
going to have
him.
him arrested. Yeah, pretty risky just coming out and saying that he did it for him. You must have a plan.
Before Mother Raquella died, she experienced a moment.
Is that her daughter?
With her last breath, she prophesied Tyrann Arafel, a tyrannical force that we would have to reckon with, that could well destroy us.
Destroy the sisterhood.
Well, at least, or maybe she's a clone of her.
We need you to talk to Mother Raquella. We think she will know how to fight it. You are her great-great-granddaughter.
Okay. But she was a bit too young to be her daughter.
Unlock your genetic memory. You might be able to access her, and she can tell us more details about her premonition.
It takes years to prepare for the agony.
I completely forgot how long ago she died.
But you have your natural aptitude, and I believe that you can do it.
I think she's gonna die. Trying to force her into a situation before she's ready.
Will the Duke use the fleet to seize the throne now that he can't marry into it?
The palace is meaningless. The real power is whoever controls the desert planet.
Arrakis.
What matters is those beautiful little flecks of orange dust.
They're all after the spice. There still are 10,000 years from now.
I have a soldier in custody. My father thinks I don't pay attention. When I saw our swordmaster take him into the cells.
Is this about my brother?
You definitely shouldn't be talking about this. Especially to her.
What does your father plan to do with the fleet?
Haven't you been listening?
In case he's trying to get information out of her.
He claims to have been swallowed by a sandworm.
Claims?
On the surveillance.
You're telling me Desmond Hart survived an attack by Shai Hulud?
Yes. He says the worm gave him a gift. Some sort of power. I don't know. He's obviously insane.
Or is he? Or is he a robot?
There are many who would turn their weapons against us, and this man pledges his in our defense. All I'm saying is let's not rush to execute our friends, to please our enemies.
Let's find out if he has any kind of power or something. There must be all those warships.
Where is the man who killed my son?
I've already ordered a full
I
investigation.
know you're hiding him. You idiot bastard let it slip. One of your own soldiers.
Yeah. He shouldn't have said anything.
Or our contract is void.
Duke Protégée. But your information is wrong. There is no suspect being held in relation to the death of your son.
If you're lying, I will take my ships and your spice operation. Perhaps then you'll understand the future you've lost.
How can people not notice what they're doing?
I wish to question the suspect in Pruwet's murder.
As I said, there is no suspect.
Why is he trying to lie to her? He knows that they can't do that.
My wife has always been a champion of debate. So be it. You can have your interrogation.
What's her plans?
She was sure that one day you would become a reverend mother. And I can see now that that's true.
I think she's got other plans.
Take me away from here, please. I still want to go with you and study.
The Sisterhood wants that for you too.
I think she just wants to use their knowledge for something.
Desmond Hart.
I wonder if she can tell if he lies.
Really?
Nothing but a soldier of the Imperium.
Oh, come now, you're more than that.
I wouldn't dare lie to you, Mother Superior.
What brought you to the palace?
Faith.
I would advise against playing games with me. I will win.
She's a bit cocky.
Did you kill Pruwet?
I did.
You admit to treason?
I admit to justice.
On whose authority did you pass that sentence?
She's not going to say?
Shayla took my eye.
and granted me with a gift to see what even you cannot.
Who do you serve?
The Imperium. And only the Imperium.
What's she saying?
He speaks truth as he believes it, but what he claims is a lie.
I saw your truth.
Okay.
Until there is proof, I command you to keep this to yourself. We turn the Imperium into a circus of fear and rumor. That is all. Return the prisoner to...
I've got a feeling everything's going the way he wants it to go. At least for now. The return of silence.
What of Desmond Hart? I don't know what's behind him yet. But his goal is clearly to get close to the throne. We cannot afford to lose the fleet.
I think his goal is to wipe out the sisterhood.
They need Raquella to clarify her vision to help them fight it. I can be the link. I owe them so much.
Don't be ridiculous. They're using you. It's what they tell us.
They're definitely using it.
Not like they care about the Order as a whole.
I care about the Order too. This is my home.
They definitely care more about the Order itself, more than an individual. What is he doing?
I'm sorry, just tell me what I can do. Keep your mouth shut.
Looking for something.
Atreides, Shiroporis, or I'll stick my distinguished foot up your ass.
Okay.
The whole palace was distracted. I got the full layout, even the
That
throne
got
room.
me. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, he's working for these guys. And that's what he was doing. Mapping out the palace.
Not trading off that famous name.
I pledge my sword and my name to the rebellion because the great houses are hoarding spice, forcing the people to turn to violence to get what they need to survive.
I thought the Atreides were one of the great houses. At least they are in the movies.
But I saw you the other night with the princess. Be careful. We can't afford any liabilities.
I wasn't expecting him to be part of the rebellion. But I wasn't expecting there to be a rebellion. At least not in this show.
It would be a lie if I promised you that you would see your mother.
But she could be.
She could be. But if you're not ready, we can find other options.
Dixie just told her that to give her more incentive to do it. At least that's definitely something that she would have done.
Good to see you, Sister Michaela.
Okay.
The shadows hold power too. I know that now. The push and pull. We empower the great houses to maintain order and allow rebellion to keep that power in check. Was a beautiful manipulation.
Thank you.
But now I need the names of all the rebels involved in the raids on Arrakis.
We gotta keep their eyes and hands on all the factions that are in play.
You can start with their spy in the palace. Name's Kieran Atreides.
Atreides?
Does that pose an issue?
None.
Yeah. She doesn't like the Atreides. She'll be glad to turn him in.
I don't want to talk.
Let's not talk.
Gonna fight it out. Gonna get all that energy out.
We are all just pieces on the board, to be played in the pursuit of power and spice.
It's all about the spice in this Game of Thrones.
Are you a prophet?
I guess this is who he's been waiting for. She's gonna set him free.
Why not let me show you how I would humble those who try to take from you? Or sway you with corrupt counsel?
I think they're both thinking they're playing the other one. They're both getting something out of it.
Breathe in. Breathe in.
I think they're right to call this the Agony. I've seen this place before. Maybe one of the Dune movies. To be all creepy about it. Jeez. She's in the land of the dead. They're all coming for her. So creepy. Oh, okay. Is that her?
Raquella.
Yep. The one she was looking for.
The key to the reckoning is one born twice. Once
in blood, once in spice.
What is the nature of their power? How do we fight it?
I guess she's not going to say. I don't know why.
What's happening?
Probably the most important information.
Mother, is that you?
Is that what they told you? To get you to come? I'm sorry, granddaughter.
Yep.
She's not here.
She's still alive. I knew that was a lie.
I've been waiting for you.
Oh. Oh shit, it's her. She's coming back.
You stole my future. Now I'm taking your hope. Lila, get out of there. Follow my voice.
Might be a bit too late now. Where'd the other lady go? She just left her there.
Get out of there.
She's getting buried under all those people.
No, Lila, come back. Please.
Maybe her body's still alive. But her mind's still stuck underneath all those people. She might wake up one day.
I will tear you from that throne and feed you to the wolves and let them choke on you. Who the hell are you?
Yeah, shit, there we go. Unleashing the weapon. The man born twice.
It's you. You're the...
Yeah, shit, there we go.
What is he doing?
What?
Please, make it stop!
Burning him from the inside. How did they kill that other woman? The one that was on a completely different planet. Must have long range on his power.
Bury your son. Say nothing of what transpired here. We'll let these tragic circumstances fade from history.
But you can definitely see how it affects him.
Mother Superior.
It would appear the sands have shifted in my absence.
Well,
is he just going to kill her now?
I need to speak with Emperor Carino. I have word on the rebel threat.
I don't know why he wouldn't.
Unfortunately, House Carino no longer requires your services. Your privileges at the palace have been revoked.
She's been fired.
That's your game. You think you can replace me?
Well, I'm pretty sure he already has.
And that is to wipe out every trace of you and your sisters from our worlds.
I run a school for young women. We're not a threat to anyone.
We both know that is not
yeah,
true.
that's definitely a lie.
Stop! Take out your blade!
Oh shit. It's working.
Hold it to your neck. Now drive it into your throat.
Nah. Sucker's not working. Is he just playing with her?
Drive it into your throat.
Must be having some kind of effect. Or not. Not working at all. Interesting. I don't think I've ever seen it not work before.
I always wondered what your greatest fear would be. Now I have seen it. It's not that no one will hear you. It's that they'll hear you.
And I won't listen.
And just won't care.
Yeah. At least she's walking out of there alive. She probably got this. Which he probably could have just killed her right then and there. I don't know why he didn't. Maybe he doesn't want to cause too much trouble yet. Okay, well there we have it. Another episode down. The sister was not in a very good spot at the moment, but you know they turn it around eventually. They're still around 10,000 years from now in a Dune movie, so something happens, and he doesn't win. It's still going to be interesting to see him try. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, video, give it a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you want to check out the rest of the series room. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.